I know I'm going to sound crazy, but I'm not crazy. But during the mid 20th century, right, around the civil rights movement, it was more widely accepted that Black Americans are not immigrants, right? At that same time, they began to start pushing the narrative that the United States was built by immigrants and it's a nation of immigrants. So follow me. When the nation accepted the fact that Black Americans are not immigrants, that's when they started pushing a new narrative that said this is a nation of immigrants and built by immigrants. Meaning that, and I could be wrong, because this happened at the same time. So, meaning that if Black Americans are not immigrants and white Americans are, then we're going to start pushing that this is a nation of immigrants so that we can cut out Black America from the narrative. Do you follow me? Like, this happened at the same time. I hope y'all picking up what I'm putting down, because and I know it might sound crazy, but no. But no, this happened at the same time. I looked it up. I said, when did most of the United States of America just accept the fact? Just accept the fact, beyond the amendments, accept the fact that Black Americans are not immigrants. That was around the Civil Rights Movement, right? It was at that same time that they began to push this other narrative that this is a nation built and of immigrants. So if Black America are not immigrants, they decided, well, we gonna start saying it was built by immigrants, which would only leave white America. Voluntary people that came over here to change the narrative that it was built by them instead of indigenous and Black America, since they are immigrants. Y'all, I'm trying to tell you, this could be coinky dinky. This could be coincidental. But what if it's not? And this is why I say this is a white supremacy move. Because that would successfully change the narrative for future generations and erase reparations for Black Americans by giving all the credit to voluntary immigrants and leaving those who are not immigrants, indigenous and Black Americans, out of the narrative. I could be crazy though. I'm a fiction writer, so I'm a fiction author, so I tend to think around things, and I look up stuff a lot, and I think around things. So this could be one of my little things, but dang, it sure is coincidental.